Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hena Zahid, Business Wali. I am the participant at Rehan AI Teachers Training Institute, Lahore campus, batch 14. Today I will talk to you about the TEDx talk Stop Teaching, Start Learning by Mariappan Jawaharlal. In today's fact-changing world, education is no longer just about teaching facts. It is about inspiring students to explore, think and truly understand. In his powerful TEDx talk, Stop Teaching, Start Learning, Professor Mariappan Jawaharlal explains that real learning happens not through lectures but through curiosity, freedom and active envelopment. His message challenges traditional teaching and reminds us that learning is a natural and joyful process when students take ownership of it. Mariappan Jawaharlal, often known as Dr. MJ, is a professor of engineering and an award-winning educator. He has spent decades teaching students and researchers how learning works. He studies mechanical engineering, earned advanced degree and dedicates his career to improve education around the world. His teaching philosophy is shaped by the personal experience. Growth up in India, studying in the United States, working with thousands of students, designed hands-on learning programs, promoting creativity and problem solving. Because of this rich background, he believes that education must change from a system of teaching to the culture of learning. At the start of his TEDx talk, Dr. Jawaharlal explains that today's world is overflowing with information. Knowledge is everywhere on the internet, in videos, articles and open courses. In such a world, the old model of teaching, where the teacher is the only source of information, no longer works. He asks an important question. If students can learn everything online, then what is the role of a teacher today? His answer is simple but powerful. The teacher's job is not to deliver information. It is to create the condition for learning. Dr. Jawaharlal central message is teach less, learn more. He argues that teaching and learning are not the same. A teacher can teach all day, but that does not graduate real learning. Learning only happens when students feel curious, engaged and connected to the topic. Teaching is a punish, learning is a pull. Real education must pull students towards knowledge, not punish information to them. One of the strongest points he makes is that students learn better when they have freedom, not control. A teacher should not be a commander who dictates every step. Instead, the teacher should be a guide, a mentor who supports students as they explore. He says, when teachers control everything, students stop thinking. When students are allowed to question, experiment and make mistakes, they develop confidence. When students learn through experience, they learn stays with them for life. Dr. Jawaharlal gives simple but powerful example. A student reading about a science experiment may understand a little, but a student performing the experiment learns with their hands, their minds and their heart. He believes that learning through experience is the deepest form learning. It builds creativity, problem solving skills and critical thinking, qualities every child needs in the real world. He also points out that traditional exams measure only one skill, memory. They ignore the many other important skills such as creativity, imagination, collaboration, innovation. He argues that the true goal of education is not to create students who only memorize facts, but to develop individuals who can think independently, solve real problems, and improve society. Dr. Jawaharlal highlights three core elements of future education. Students must be encouraged to ask questions and follow their natural interest. Each student should have the freedom to learn at their own pace and in their own style. Learning should be hand-on, practical, and connected to real life. These three elements transform learning from a burden into a meaningful, joyful journey. In the end, Dr. Jawaharlal gives a powerful reminder. If we want confident, creative, and capable future generations, we must shift from teaching to learn. Education must move from telling to guiding, focusing on encouraging, memorizing, and understanding. Answer to question: when teachers stop teaching and start creative opportunities for learning, students discover their potential, unlock their creativity, and become lifelong learners. This is my opinion about this TEDx video. I hope you like this. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.